Lori Vallow-Daybell was back in court today for what should be the final time before her trial begins in less than 2 weeks. Eyewitness News 3's Kaylee Galaviz was in court and tells us what happened.
On Tuesday, Judge Stephen Boyce ruled on the removal of the death penalty, a request to delay trial, and to consider late evidence. Vallow-Daybell's lawyers claimed she should not receive the death penalty because her mental state, media saturation, and prejudice.
In balancing these rights, the court concludes here that as an appropriate discovery sanction, the state will be precluded from seeking the death penalty at trial, and the state's May 2nd, 2022 notice of intent to seek the death penalty will be stricken. To be clear, the court does not impose this sanction to penalize the state, but rather to ensure the constitutional right of the defendant is protected, allowing for a reasonable defense to be prepared for this trial.
New evidence involving recordings between Vallow-Daybell and her husband Chad Daybell had been submitted after the February 27th deadline. On March 7th, Vallow-Daybell's attorneys submitted a motion to compel the prosecutors to disclose all evidence.
Based on argument and what was represented on the record, the court finds at this time it's not necessary to order any compelling further of discovery. As the state's indicated, it's been provided. So the defendant's motion to compel is denied.
Judge Boyce also ruled that the late evidence will not be used in court, which in turn denied Vallow-Daybell's request to delay the trial.
When determining whether prejudice has resulted due to the time those disclosures were made, however, the court also must consider that additional disclosures were made well after the February 27th deadline and are inexcusably late.
Now that should wrap up things here at the Fremont County Courthouse, as Lori Vallow-Daybell is expected to start trial in Ada County on April 3rd. Reporting in Fremont County, I'm Kaylee Galaviz.